Okay, we continue. Tutorial. Python. We're going to discuss operator assignment equals almost the same as the operator plus equals. Here is a variable of a. It's worth 15. Then here I will do it. Operator assignment. That is equals. If we subtract 15 minus 3, the result is 12. We try. Run the terminal. But before, we save first by pressing Ctrl plus S Control. Well, the result is 12. So operator equals almost the same as plus equals. Difference is only this reduction. If plus equals, it is summing with numbers that we want to sum. Okay, I will make this into -3. How did it go? Of course, the result should be 18. Let's see the results. Run in terminal. Is right. The result is 18. Why 18? Because 15 minus -3 is 18. Yeah, later try to learn the math. But if in mathematics, it must be the result 18. So, if we use Python, also the result is 18. Well, this is just first my short tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.